Imagine if an interview gives you an array problem and you solve it just one traversal with of one space. That's exactly what we are doing today in LeetCode 27 remove element. This problem looks super easy at first, but it's greatly teach us one of the most important concepts in DSA two-pointer technique. So, in the few minutes, we will learn how to remove element from an array in place like a pro. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and today video we are solving the LeetCode problem 27 remove element. In this one, this is the one of the best beginner problem to understand the two-pointer technique in place where the array modification. And in this video, I will explain every single line of the code the easiest way possible. So let's first read the problem statement and understand about it. Given an integer array norms and an integer val, remove all the of vals in the norms in place. The order of the element may be changed. The return the number of the element in nums, which are not equal to val. Consider the number of the element in nums which is not equal to the val vk. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of the nums contain the element which is not equal to the val. Remaining element of the nums are not important as well as of the num as the size of the nums. And we need to return k. So, in the simple word, we are given a vector called nums and a value val. Our task is to remove all the occurrence of a val from an array in a place and return the number of the remaining elements. Important, we are not allowed to use the extra space. So, we can take an example to understand this, what the question is saying. So as you can see, we have nums array and a val 3. So we need to remove all the three. So what we get is this only. So our answer become the output is 2. And you can see this in the example also here. So our idea or approach to solve this question is that the main idea is simple. We will keep all the valid element at the front of the array. For that, we use a variable called k. Let k, where should the next valid element to be placed. So let's see the code, and after that I will going to tell the each and explain each and every line of the code. Let's understand the code line by line. We created the variable k. This variable stores the position where we will place the next valid element. Initially, k is 0 because we start from the beginning of the array. So the for loop. This loop traverses the entire array one by one. Here I is the current index and num.size gives the total number of the element. If if condition num I is num I not equal to val, we check if the current element is not equal to the val. If yes, then it is a valid element and we want to keep it. And num k is equal to num I. We will place the valid element in the index element at index k. This helps us to move all the valid element to the front of the array. And k plus plus. After placing the valid element, we increase the k. So the next valid element can be stored in the next position. So So this is the code and Landman and explanation. The time complexity of this question is O of n because we traverse the array only once, and the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using the extra spaces. So, and that's how we solve the LeetCode 27 remove element using the two pointer approach. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe for more LeetCode questions, and comment which problem you want next. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.